When you're going through cancer treatment, a well-stocked pantry is your best friend. Having basics on hand will help you cook without too much thinking or effort when the fatigue becomes intense. One of my pantry essentials, one of my favorites actually, are diced tomatoes. Now, whether you buy them whole or diced, they are fabulous, they're cheap, and they do a lot more than just make pasta sauce. They can be used in so many different dishes, from curries to soups to chilies and of course pasta sauce. They are also a much better option than fresh tomatoes in the winter months, when tomatoes may look good, a bit like Snow White's apple, but lack taste. Canned tomatoes are a much better bet for cooking with at that time of year. The other thing about canned tomatoes is that they're highly nutritious and a great source of potassium and the antioxidant lycopene, which the canning process, because it's a slight cooking process, actually makes the lycopene more bioavailable to your body. And one last caveat, don't be tempted to buy tomatoes with added flavorings. These bring with them added salt and sugar, and plus the flavorings that get added may make the tomatoes less easy to use. These next series of videos will help you see just how versatile canned tomatoes are and will help you cook up a storm just out of your pantry.